client asked the other day, what is a good budget to start out? If I am really tight for money, we are just starting out a small business, how little can I start out when I'm running digital ads? So let me go over the major platforms just really quick and give my opinion. Google Ads, I'd say 30 to 50 a day is a good average spend per city. Now, if you're targeting a giant city, not a great spend. Obviously, you're not going to be able to cover the whole city, or if Google does cover the whole city, it's going to do it very poorly. So your results are probably going to be poor. Or target a very small area, test things, see how it goes. If things work out, increase your budget as you can, but 30 to 50 would be a minimum. If you're looking at Facebook or Instagram ads, you can run as low as $2 and $5 a day. Again, though, things are going to be not great for most service and most e-commerce businesses. I recommend that you try to stick around 50 a day, upwards of 100 a day on those platforms, simply because they have more traffic, not more traffic than Google, but more just eyeballs on the platform, meaning your ads are going to have more opportunity to show because there are going to be more people scrolling through feeds. Google is something people go to quite often for service businesses, retail shops in the area. So you definitely want to be on there, but you're just not going to get as many eyeballs and as much attention hour for hour. So Facebook and Instagram, I'd recommend spending a bit more, trying to cover more of the news feed for that person or that potential customer. And about 50 to 100 a day would be a good place to start. So those are the major platforms. If you want to advertise on Amazon or any other place like that, again, try to stick upwards of 50 plus. I know for a lot of people that's quite a stretch, but you're really burning up your money most of the time when you're doing $2 and $5 a day budgets, as quite a lot of these gurus will recommend. It's just not something that gives Facebook or Google's algorithm enough oomph to really cover any major areas and try to find those customers for you. When you spend more, you get an advantage of using the AI, the intelligence side of Facebook and Google to find better potential customers for you. And that does take a bit more spend because they've got to spend a bit to test certain areas and then find out who your customers are. Now, if you upload customer lists or anything like that to help improve your results, that's a different story. You can often target with less per day budget. What that exact number is just kind of depends on how well your customer lists are developed. So how big they are, how much info they have per customer, that sort of thing. So if you have customer lists, or if you're not sure what customer lists are and you want to know what to include in them, check out some of our other videos about customer lists. But they will definitely improve your results and can lower your overall daily spend. However, try to stick around $50 plus for any single platform. Hope this helps. H2ecommerce.com. Have a great day.